it is a historical day. Government of India is announcing some program. We are adopting first mover advantage. That is our Honorable Prime Minister has announced quantum mission. Immediately, I brought quantum computer first in India, that to Amaravati. January, we are going to operate quantum computer in Amaravati. Honorable Prime Minister has announced green hydrogen mission. Now, for green hydrogen mission, we declared Green Hydrogen Valley, that is Andhra Pradesh. 500 gigawatts country is going to produce. In that 160 gigawatts of green energy from Andhra Pradesh. Now because of green energy, data centers are coming. AI is coming. It is a excellent ecosystem we are creating. Government of India has announced deregulation space sector. Immediately I was in touch with Somnath ji. He is an expert. So he is making a reality near to Sriharikota, next door, that is Space City in Tirupati, it is coming. I am confident. Already 2-3 companies are showing interest. With this conference, that Space City is full of entrepreneurs. They are going to launch satellites for the global community. If you see here, very interestingly, we are having 2 cities to develop it. One is near Bangalore, that is R&D, and also so many applications will develop in Sathsai district near to Bangalore. R&D, satellite prototyping, and incubating space tech startups. Tirupati near Sriharikota, we are launching pad. There we are going to develop component manufacturing, satellite integration, and launch logistics. We are targeting 25,000 crores investment, 35,000 jobs next 10 years. Recently I visited Singapore, I told you. This was Dubai. They have taken to me to moon. What is 2071? They have shown me. Now our Somnath Garu is here. He will do better than Dubai because they don't have technology, all these things they are doing. We are having everything. We will prove it what is our space technology for the global community. And also we are giving exemptions with provision stamp duty, waiver, R&D grants, and also we have created 100 crore space tech fund also. This will give, money is not the constraint according to me. We will get somewhere. If there is no money, my friend Piyush is here. Then I will knock his door. There is no problem at all. Another thing, this is where drone city. Even recently, our Honorable Prime Minister also has announced drone city we are launching today. This is where NICDIC, they have given some money. We are making use of money. That is where our Orvakallu, you have given some money. We are developing 300 acres. We are earmarking if necessary. Lot of land is available, and also you can guide us. We will take to the logical conclusion. Here, advanced manufacturing, world-class testing certification facilities, skilling of 25,000 people, remote pilots, robust R&D and innovative networks, public support with ease of doing business, and crucially, service enablement. Here, drones, we are thinking it is so many things. Tomorrow, all wars will be through drones only. That is going to happen. Already India has shown what is the power of drone recently. And also civilian applications, even pesticides application, fertilizers, even you can go for mosquito control, not only 1 or 2, surveys, even soil mapping, so many applications, and also finally any transportation of cargo. Ultimately I am asking, 2 honorable ministers are here, high level powerful ministers. One is investment minister Piyush Goyal, civil aviation Ram Mohan Naidu. I am asking them to give me permission to launch drone cars or taxis within 2 years' time. That has to be done. That is a game changer. To lay the road, it will be very costly. To use drone, lot of space. Even civil aviation had a problem how to regulate. I told him, their department, you are regulating as on today how you are regulating flights, air traffic controller. You put drone control, traffic controller, they will regulate every drone, routes, everything. We are ready to launch that. That is what I told him. Now they are convinced. But execution is important. I am very happy today. You name any technology has to be in Andhra Pradesh. Or high-tech. Either drone technology, satellite, quantum computers. America is having Silicon Valley. We will have Quantum Valley. That is the speed we have to move forward. And also, electronics. We have to mobilize so many electronic devices. We will go IoT, sensors, cell phones, everything. We will move in that direction. Aerospace. Again, Ram Mohan Naidu and Industries Minister here. There is a lot of demand for flights, even defense and everything. That also we have to work it out. These are all the areas, even semiconductor, even tomorrow robotics. That is the order of the day. Today we are thinking, tomorrow there is a population problem globally. Either you have to send people to that countries or you have to send robotics to that country. That is the order of the day. Even countries like Taiwan asking me to send people from India. So this is a huge opportunity. It is only the imagination is only the limitation. Everything is possible. From now onwards, we are going to see new things in Andhra Pradesh. Our Honorable Prime Minister is doing extremely well. If I say something, earlier they used to ask me, what is this? I cannot follow, I cannot understand. Now our Honorable Prime Minister is saying, if I do something, I tell something, you will add something, you do it. That is the target he is giving. So we are proud of him. Everything is possible. Everything I am imagining because of Honorable Prime Minister. He is a leader with vision, and also he is a leader with a clear direction, and also he is executing everything. Our friends, all of you are here. You have to do one thing. Either you have to use drone or be a pilot or produce drones.